Hi, my name is Chris LeBlanc, and I'm the local representative for Tobii Dynavox. So we're gonna talk about a couple of our devices that we have, and the first two devices that I'm going to talk about are one is called the Indie, and the other device is called the I-110. Okay. The differences are, first of all, the weight on the Indie is about just a little under 2 pounds, and the I-110 is just a little over 2.5 pounds. So there's about a pound difference between the two. With the Indie, you do get a bigger battery life. So you're looking at about 8 to 9 hours. With the Indie, you're looking at about 6 to 7 hours on a full battery life. Okay. The I-110 has a built-in stand right on the device itself on the back. And the Indie, I'm going to put this down so you can see, and the Indie comes with a case with the stand on it. All right, so there's one that's integrated and one that's not. They both have cameras, so they both have cameras that are facing you, and they both have outward-facing cameras. The camera on the I-110 is a bit more powerful than the Indie. Okay, so we are getting somewhere with all this. The Indie, the I-110 being having a little bit more. It's a little more robust as far as how it's built. It has Gorilla Glass on the front, so the Indie has high impact. A lot of high impact plastics, and the glass also has a high impact glass, but it's not quite as strong as the Gorilla Glass. So the Indie was produced for more, not only for the communicators, but more for the mass market as well. So somebody who maybe can't go through their typical insurance. For the price point of the Indie being $9.99, it's approaching now. Some people are able to afford that cost. The Indie, the I-110, however, is a bit more money than that. So you're looking at about $4,900 for the I-110. So it's a lot more money. And typically with the I-110, we are seeing more purchases via insurance. With the Indie, so they're both.
Is it just that much more expensive because of like the better battery life and that kind of stuff?
Yeah, a lot of those internals do make it more expensive. The other thing that separates the two is switch access. So one thing with the Indie that we can't do right off from the device itself is there are no switch ports. There are mini USB ports that we give you a converter. And so what you do is you plug the little mini one, and there's a standard converter on the other side, okay? With the I-110, there is, sorry, wrong side. There is a standard USB port, power charging port at the top. And then on this side, there are 2 switch ports. So you have direct switch access in here. The Indie you don't. You're going to have to go with something third party, and you guys have lots of stuff here. You probably have some adaptable switch, I'm sure, controllers, right? That's what you'd have to do with this. So it'd have to be something USB based. So you plug it into the USB. So it can still, the software can still scan, and you could still use a switch. You just can't plug it in directly. You can't plug a switch in directly, which a lot of people find inconvenient. So that's another reason why somebody may lean towards the I-110. In general, it's totally up to the consumer and to the group themselves what you guys want to go for. When I go out for an evaluation, I always show both devices because they're both really good. The I-110 is going to give you a little bit more of that flexibility as far as being being able to be plugged in, and the scanning options there. The power, the battery life's a little bit better. The processor is even better in the I-110 as well. So the processor's got a better processor than the Indie does. Although you don't see a lot of that when you use it. You don't see it being, oh wow, it's like blazing, and this one takes 3 minutes to get to what you want to say. That's not the case, but just in general, it's a little bit faster. All right, you may want to pause it for 1 second.